Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Let's try this study I found. So white has a big advantage, but they have a lot of issues. Yeah, this extra piece. But black is threatening actually to capture on g6, and they can, let's say, after this move, they can actually win. Yeah, and this wins easily because of this discovery. And if you somehow just go for exchanges, then it's a draw as well. King and rook can draw against these two pieces. Not in real life, it's quite difficult, but engine will 100% draw this position. So if you go back again, it's an easy draw for black after this move. Yeah, and with this pawn, it's even easier for black, I think, to draw. So it's actually the first move is rook to g7, very strange looking move, and black has just one legal move to take the bishop. Now again, you cannot capture this pawn because it's a draw. And your rook is attacked, so if you take here, yeah, then you lose your rook. So white checks, and this is the move of the game, if you can pause the video. Okay, so the winning move is g7. It's actually pretty nice. You cannot capture this pawn. You can capture this rook, but white wins after taking the rook of black. And if black plays something like rook to e8, then this is annoying. And white takes the rook and easily wins. Alright, thank you for watching and see you next time.